Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple triple tucks bow or triple pinch bow depending on what you refer to it. And obviously I've got all my ribbon ready to go, and this is a 1.5 inch ribbon version, and it is 3 times 8 inches or 3 times 20 centimeters, and I have already cut everything ready and heat sealed all my ends and creased all 3 in the centre like so, just to make it a little bit quicker. And I've also got my piece ready to do the knotted middle in a minute, and you will need some pins and obviously your clip to attach the bow to later. Let's just put those out of the way. And what I do first is I always do circular, and what I like to do is about 1/4 centimetre, 1/2 centimetre overlap on each one. As long as it's even amounts on all 3 pieces, it's basically enough to sew through. I then take that, line that up with that crease the other side, and pin that together like so, and then you repeat for the other 2 pieces. So just a little bit over, through, repin. And what this does, this gives you the most even set of loops as you can manage, because the more even and accurate all of your loops are, the more accurate and less likely your loops are to go out of place and have like one that's bigger or smaller than all the others. Because if you see, you put all of them between your fingers like so, they're all the same size, which is what you want. Okay, so I've got my needle threaded with my extra strength upholstery thread, and that's the join, and I always come from this side where we can see the crease, and it's from above. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in, 1, out, and it's 1, 2, and as you can see that I've gone through both sides, and then we repeat. Like I said, always the side with the crease. In, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in, 1, out, 1, 2. Like I said, all pieces in. And the last one again, crease side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in, 1, out, 1, 2, that side. And like I said, all of them have got that stitch through all the layers. Okay, and this is what you should end up with, and they should all be pretty consistent stitch sizing, because the better your stitches are, the more consistent they are, the better they pull together. That's what the back looks like. Okay, then what you do is keep pulling and cinching until each one has got 2 pinches in the middle, and then wrap, and in a second we'll make it all a little bit more even once everything's in place. So there we go. So just a couple of times around. And these are great on their own, or you can mix it up and use them as back bows or base bows, and layer up, like do a triple tux and then a double tux and then a single tux on top, etc., and just build up the bows as you want them. So as you can see, what you do is once it's all done, is give it a little play around, and that's what you get. And obviously it's quite a circular looking bow. So here's a clip. Right on our join there, and obviously on that one I've done the knotted middle, so I'll just show you. So I've got a piece of 9mm. I have made this a bit smaller from its original size, and what you do is twist like so, and then take that piece up through there. And do a knot like so. I think I need a slightly bigger piece. Colour. Don't know what pinkish is. That'll be better. So this is what I do to get the slightly smaller. Heats it up that end like so. So that's better, but a little bit longer to work with. It's exactly the same as what we just did a minute ago. So round like that. Take your loop through. And there we go, chunkier knot for our centrepiece there. And I'm just going to put a touch of glue here, just a little bit there. And hold that right on the centre, like that. Dry a little. There we go. Don't need quite that much either side, so we're going to cut some of that excess off. There we go. And about the same there. Just want enough to glue into the centre. I'm just going to heat seal those to make gluing a little bit easier. There we go, that's better. So I'm just going to put a touch of glue there. There we go. And we'll do the same this side, just a touch of glue here. And open again. And we will tidy that up and make it all pretty and perky looking without a glue stringy on it. There we go. So there is your two 1.5 inch triple tucks, triple pinch bows. Like I said, they're perfect for, like I said, pigtail sets. These were 3 times 8 inches. All you would need to do for sort of sizes, depending on how wide or how circular you want them, would be to sort of go up or down a couple of inches. I would say on 3 inches you'd need about 12 or 14, but I'll put all the measurements in the description below as normal. Thank you for watching. I do also have a Facebook page under Catherine's Ribbon Bow Tutorials and Follow-alongs. If you need any more help or anything like that, do feel free to ask me, and I will sort anything out for you as soon as I'm available. And thanks for watching. Bye!